Hello guys, how you guys doing? I'm here to do the review on the Too Faced lip glosses. So there are 6 shades on this lip gloss. So what I'm going to do, as usual, I'm going to do the swatches on my lip. Because they are lip glosses, you can't really see them, but try to zoom in for you to see them. Okay, so I'm going to insert that clip, then you watch it, then I'll come back and give you my final review on the lip gloss. Okay, yeah, stay tuned guys.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay guys, I've done the lip swatch on my lip already. You've seen that on the previous clip. I just wanted to touch more on the lip gloss and tell you how I feel about them. So for this particular shade, this is showing up on my skin because it's pink with it, like there's some purple in there. This lip gloss has glitter on it, but it's not like glitter that you can feel on your lip. Is very fine, very fine, like you can't even feel that it's glitter on your lips. So, and the other thing I would say that it's not like sticky. If you pat, it's not sticky, but because it's, let me see if I pat, if it's going to like transfer up and down. Let me see that. No, it's not transferring when you pat your lip, and it's still the way you apply it on your lip. I'm not a fan of things that are shiny on my lip, but this one I can deal with it because I can apply it on top of a lipstick as a lip topper. You understand what I'm saying? So for the 6 shades that I was sent, I don't know if they have more shades of this lip glosses. I would say they're all suitable for all skin type. Depending on what you are going for, they are suitable for all skin type, but it will show more on a lighter skin girl than a dark skin girl. I'm just saying there are some colors that will not show up on your skin so well. You just look like a normal lip gloss. So yeah, I'm saying yeah because some of the shades just look the same on me because of my skin tone. And I will leave the price of this lip gloss on the video for you to know the price in case you are wondering, and if you are like, is it worth the price? You understand what I'm saying? It's to me just a normal lip gloss, but it smells so good. So my final thought of this lip gloss is that it's okay if you want to buy it. It's not a bad product at all. I'm not mad at it. It's just a lip gloss. If it's a lipstick, then I will have more to say. Because it's a lip gloss, I don't have much to say. Lip gloss are just meant to make your lip shine and look fuller. Let me not forget the packaging. This is a very good packaging. Too Faced come through with the packaging because you know this is not cheap. They come through with the packaging. The packaging is really nice. Off shape somewhere here, right here, with their logo on it. Too Faced. It's really pretty. I really like the packaging. If you are going out, somebody will know that you are holding an expensive lip gloss if you are that type of girl. So if you're into packaging, you can buy it for the sake of the packaging. The product inside is good, but if you don't care for lip gloss, I don't see any reason why you're buying it. I'm just saying. So guys, that's all I have to say about this. If you want to see the makeup tutorial, I'm going to link it at the description bar, and also I'm going to link a video of the hair at the description bar. I did like a mini video on it, on how I store the hair myself and all that. Okay, all right guys, peace out, see you in the next video. Bye guys.